Gautam, good evening. Kabilan, good evening. Arvind, good evening, beta. Arvind, good evening. Aparna, good evening. Pooja, good evening. I'm fine, Craft 2. How are you, beta? Shreya, good evening. Fine. So last class we were talking about parabolas. I told you I'm going to teach everything in details and everything I'm going to explain. So we were just doing the first part of the parabolic equation, standard equation. So we derived standard equation. So now we are going to exactly continue that section. Always all right. God bless you, beta. Be happy always. Now look here. The first thing is that we first understood that this is one parabolic curve. Now it is exactly going to be for different value of x, is for different value of y you will be getting positive value. So you can see that always you are going to get for positive or negative value of y, you will be getting a positive value of x. So it is symmetric, it is symmetric, it is exactly going to be symmetric. Danish, good evening, beta. Adit, good evening. Now very slowly understand this one. Good evening, Khushbu. How are you, beta? So now look here. So first important thing here is कि we are going to draw one directrix line that is called as the fixed line. So directrix line is supposed to be the fixed line. So we are just drawing the directrix line. So this is directrix. And you know already, last class we discussed about that when you are going to take the focus here, beta, then focus point if you are going to take as a comma 0, then this distance is exactly going to be a. This distance is going to be a. Then this point, this distance will also become a. That means the vertex will be equidistant from the fixed point and the fixed line. The vertex will be equidistant from the fixed point and the fixed line. So the fixed line is directrix and the fixed point is focus. Okay. So if this distance is a, then this distance will also become a. So directrix line here, it will become x will be equal to minus a. So equation of directrix line will become x equal to minus a or x plus a equal to 0. X plus a equal to 0. Samay, good evening. So x plus a equal to 0. X plus a equal to 0 coming, beta. X plus a equal to 0 coming. So now we are going to take this point as what we are going to take here as arbitrary point pxy. Last class we were talking about. Good evening, Kritika. Last class we were talking about, beta, latest rectum double ordinate. So we discussed about double ordinate. In that section I discussed that double ordinates are chords, beta. Double ordinates are nothing but different chords. So different chords are there which is exactly going to touch the curve section, curve region. But the ordinate which is going to pass through the focus will be called as latest rectum. The ordinate which is exactly going to pass through the focus, that is the latest rectum, is exactly going to called as the focus. So now we are going to understand that why latest rectum is going to be 4a. Why latest rectum is going to be 4a. So now one time I am going to discuss why latest rectum is going to be 4a, beta. Now since this ordinate point, double ordinate is passing through the focus, since double ordinate is passing through the focus point, double ordinate is passing through the focus point. So this is the double ordinate, this is only passing through the focus point. Now we know that this is the equation of the parabola. The equation of the parabola is y square equal to 4ax. Yes or no? The equation of the parabola is exactly going to be y square equal to 4ax. Now 2a plus 2a equal to, yes, yesterday itself we have done that one. 2a part will be coming here, 2a part will be coming here. So that is exactly going to be. So on x-axis y value will become 0. So yes, on x-axis y value will become 0. We have discussed, I think, now yesterday we have discussed about it. It is symmetric, beta. It is symmetric. So 2a and 2a will be there. Correct only, Gautam. So now I think latest rectum already we have discussed. This part is exactly going to be 2a and this part will be coming as 2a. So latest rectum is exactly going to be 4a. Only I think focal distance we have not discussed. Focal distance of any point. What is focal distance of any point? Focal distance of any point. So I think we have discussed all the point for this one. We talked about directrix. Directrix coming here is for this equation of parabola. This equation is y square is equal to 4ax. Now directrix here is x plus a equal to 0. Vertex is which one? Vertex point is, since the parabola is touching the origin, so this point will become, vertex point will become 0 comma 0 beta. Directrix equation, the equation of directrix is x plus y will be coming, x plus a is going to be the directrix equation. बहुत confusion था नमन एंड समय में बेटा, सॉरी समय एंड नमन, हाँ क्राफ्टो इज समय ना. Okay, now vertex point is coming beta, directrix is coming, latest rectum is exactly going to be beta 4a, latest rectum is going to be 4a. Now only I think we have discussed about everything. Now what is the axis? On x axis, since beta the symmetry is generated on x axis, so on x axis y will become 0. So axis part will be exactly discussed as y equal to 0. If somebody will be talking about equation of axis, then equation of axis is y equal to 0, because the parabola is symmetric along x axis, so since x axis part only it is going to be symmetric, so there in on x axis y value will be 0, so equation of axis will be y will be equal to 0. Remember this one. Yes Crafto, now I remember beta, sorry. So it is exactly going to be equation of axis is y equal to 0. Latest rectum finished, vertex finished, directrix equation finished. Now only one work is left, and that is called as what? Focal distance. Now what is focal distance? Distance between focus and arbitrary point is called as focal distance. So how to get the focal distance? Now distance between focus and arbitrary point is going to be the focal distance. Yesterday we were discussing about it. Okay, so now look here beta. So here when we were talking about it, so here x minus a whole square will be coming, and then beta y minus 0 whole square will be there. This is exactly going to be root, because focal distance, if this is s and this is l, so ls is the focal distance. LS is the focal distance, so LS focal distance will become, LS will be equal to x minus a whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. Now if you are going to write it, this will become x square plus a square minus 2ax plus y square. Now what is the equation of this parabola? Equation of parabola is y square equal to 4ax. Just substitute this one. So LS will be equal to x square plus a square minus 2ax plus 4ax. Instead of y square I am going to write 4ax, since I have written 4ax there. So now minus 2x plus 4ax will be equal to LS equal to x square plus a square plus 2ax. So it is exactly going to be x plus a whole square. So x plus a whole square root will become x plus a. So equation that is focal distance, when somebody will be telling you what is the focal distance, miss the Okay, Samay, I am going to tell you what is focal distance beta. Focal distance means beta, distance between focus and the arbitrary point is called as focal distance. Distance between focus and arbitrary point. So distance between focus and arbitrary point is going to be beta called as focal distance. Now beta, how to get the distance? We know that distance formula is x minus a whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. So distance formula I have used here beta. So what distance formula I have used here? LS equal to root under x minus a whole square, because beta one point P arbitrary point is coming as x comma y, and exactly L is focus is coming as, here focus is coming as focus. Now L we have taken that P point is only take PS, you write PS, focal distance you write it as PS, or L, whatever you want, LL dash you can write also. So here a comma 0 is coming, so x minus a whole square and y minus 0 whole square. Then beta after writing till here y square, I just substituted y square I just substituted y square with 4ax. From where I got y square equal to 4ax? By the main equation of the parabola beta, y square equal to 4ax. This equation of parabola is y square equal to 4ax. So I substituted y square equal to 4ax from this equation, and then I got x plus a whole square, that is x plus a. So we have understood that focal distance for this equation, for this standard equation, focal distance is x plus a, x plus a. Focal distance is how much beta? X plus a. We got focal distance, we got length of lattice rectum, we got equation of axis, we got coordinates of focus, we got vertices point. Now equation of axis, everything we got, directrix equation we got. So this is only thing beta maximum they will be asking. So what and all things may come in the examination to find out? First thing is directrix. Okay, so here directrix x plus a is coming, directrix here. Second is, okay, no problem beta, God bless you. Vertex point is coming, this one beta. This is the vertex point. Lattice rectum beta, length of lattice rectum 2a plus 2a will become 4a samay. Now equation of axis beta, equation of axis will become y equal to 0 because the axis is symmetrical. See, the parabola is symmetrical about x axis. So this half will be equal to this half. So on what will be the equation? The equation will be y will be 0 on x axis. Y will be 0 on x axis. So equation of axis will become 0. Now focal distance is coming as x plus a. Quickly everybody tell me, understood this one? First equation of parabola, everybody understood? First equation of parabola, everybody understood? Come on, quickly tell me so that we can go for the second equation of, okay beta. Today Craft and today Naman and Samay both are there, huh? Very good, Gautam. Everyone, come on, quickly tell me beta, did you understood this point, that how to exactly get this one? Okay, shall we go for the next one? Understood, super. So now we are going to go for the second one. The second one will be, now the focus point will be here. So focus will be minus a comma 0. So beta, if this length is going to be, now vertex point will be 0 comma 0. Now pxy will be taking any point, arbitrary point. Then beta, this axis in this part, whatever p, because pxy is exactly what? It is exactly an arbitrary point. So it will be dancing on the curve and everywhere. It will be dancing on the curve everywhere. So now next distance, this distance from the directrix. So your directrix will become x equal to a. So x minus a will become the directrix. X minus a will become the directrix. Aparna understood? Okay, very good beta. X minus a will become the directrix. Danish understood? Now one by one beta, just we are going to again write everything we are going to write. First is, what will be the equation? When the mouth will be exactly, the opening will be this side, then equation was y equal to 4ax. But now beta, the parabola shifted that side. The standard equation will become y square equal to minus 4ax. This is the standard equation here. The standard equation for second case is going to be this one. Now beta, again one by one, vertex is exactly going to be what? Vertex will be 0 comma 0. Equation of axis. Equation of axis, again beta, the parabola is exactly symmetrical about x axis. So equation of axis will become y will be equal to 0. Now beta, the length of lattice rectum, which is exactly going to pass from the focus, that is called as double ordinate. The chords on the parabola are called as double ordinates, but since it is passing through the focus, it is called as lattice rectum. I am repeating, since it is passing through the focus, that's why it is called as lattice rectum. So lattice rectum is exactly going to be, how much beta? 4a. So lattice rectum is going to be 4a. So first, second, third. Then equation of axis we have done. After equation, now equation of directrix we have to find. Equation of directrix. Equation of directrix. Now beta, you know that directrix is a line. Directrix is a line. So equation of directrix will be here. It will become what beta? Directrix we got here now, x equal to a. So it will become x minus a will be equal to 0. equation of directrix will become x minus a will be equal to 0. So we got equation, we got vertex, we got equation of axis, we got latest rectum, we got equation of directrix. Okay, now focal distance beta. If somebody will be telling you to find focal distance here, then what will be the focal distance? Distance from the focus to the arbitrary point, we are going to find it as focal distance. We are going to find it as focal distance beta. So what will be the focal distance here? That time you got focal distance as x plus a or a plus x, but here the focal distance will become a minus x. This time the focal distance will be coming as beta a minus x. Remember this part, that how focal distance will be coming as a minus x, because the equation, just you have to check this part, equation is coming as y square equal to minus 4ax. Okay, and this focus point is coming as minus a comma 0. Beta this point, arbitrary point, if we are going to take, then here on both the axes x will be negative beta. So now if x will be negative, then here negative negative if will take out, it will become. Now shall we find the distance? If you have confusion, then how to get ps? ps means focal distance. Now here distance formula we are going to use. So minus x minus of minus a whole square plus beta y square will be coming y minus 0 whole square. So y minus 0 whole square will be coming beta. So now ps will be equal to, this minus into minus will become plus beta. So it is coming as a minus x whole square is coming, plus y square is coming beta, a minus x whole square is coming. If we are going to check this one again, so minus a is there, minus x, if we are going to take x as plus, because it is going to be arbitrary point. Since it is going to be arbitrary point on the curve, if we are going to take it as positive, then only it is going to give us a minus x. Minus we are going to snatch it out, then minus, and this is going to be minus, it is going to create problems. Here we have to write it plus. So minus x we are going to take it as plus, means arbitrary point we are going to take as plus here, then only equation can be derived. So here it is going to be coming as a square plus x square plus 2ax beta, and then y square equation is coming as minus 4ax. So minus 4ax. So root under part will be coming, so it is coming as a square plus x square minus 2ax root under, so it is coming as a minus x whole square. So it is coming as a minus x. So focal distance is coming as a minus x. Focal distance is coming as a minus x. So beta, focal distance is coming as a minus x. So we got all the equation back to back. So for the second one, second parabola, when the parabola mouth will be exactly, it will be open from that side, negative side of x axis. %, you are allowed to join beta. 100% you are allowed to join. 100%, no problem. Now look here beta. So here this part is exactly going to be, this is the focus one beta. So focus is coming as minus a comma 0. So since focus is coming as minus a comma 0 beta, focal distance is coming as what? A minus x. Focal distance is coming as a minus x. Focal distance is coming as a minus x beta. So now we got all, that is y square equal to minus 4ax is the standard equation of the parabola. Okay, second one is beta vertex. Vertex is coming as 0 comma 0. Equation of axis is y equal to 0. Latest rectum is 4a. Equation of directrix is x minus a equal to 0. And then focal length, focal distance is a minus x. So we got all that point back to back. Now we are going to go for the third one. Till here any doubt is there, you can ask me beta. Till here any doubt is there, you can ask. Otherwise we will go for the third one, because we have to solve questions also. Okay Samay? Thank you beta. Any doubt is there? God bless you beta. Joginder नाम है ना तुम्हारा? Joginder, God bless you beta. Thank you so much beta. Understood na? Gautam understood? Everyone one time say, if any doubt will be there beta, you can ask me, I will explain that one. I can explain that one beta, okay? Naman, no doubt? Okay. Now we will be going for the next one. So the next parabola will be exactly coming as this one beta. So this time the parabola will be exactly symmetry to y axis. So since the parabola will be symmetric to y axis, thank you Samay, thank you so much beta. Adit understood na beta? Adit understood? Adit, any doubt will be there beta? Quickly ask. I am going to clear your doubt, Adit. Now look here beta. Now here, see look here, since the parabola is exactly going up beta, so directrix will be opposite to that. So now, since the directrix line will be parallel to x axis, so its equation will become what beta? Its equation will become, so this is passing. So if this distance we are going to take as focus point, we are going to take as, Danish understood? Adit beta, if any doubt is there, ask quickly. Adit understood na beta? Now look here. So this part will be going as 0 comma a. So focus is going to be 0 comma a beta. 0 comma a is going to be the focus. Now when the parabola mouth will be up, it is open from the upper side. Vertex point will again become 0 0. Okay. Vertex point is again going to be, because vertex point is passing the origin. So vertex point became 0 0 beta. Now the third one beta. The third point here is after writing focus, after writing vertex point beta, now we have to write about directrix. Now see, it is going below x-axis. This is going exactly below x-axis. So I told you now, the distance between the focus and the vertex will be equal to the distance between the vertex and the directrix. So if this distance is taken as a, then this distance will also become a. If this distance is taken as a, then this distance will also become a beta. So this is now going to be a. So now what will be the equation here? It will become y will be equal to minus a, because beta it is down of that, so this is going to be taken as minus a. So this point will be what beta? It is going to be x will be 0 minus a. So what is the equation of directrix? The equation of directrix is y plus a equal to 0. The equation of directrix is y plus a equal to 0. जोगिंदर कुछ भी बोल सकते हो, आंटी भी बोल सकते हो, मैम भी बोल सकते हो, वट एवर बेटा, वट एवर योर विश. टीचर भी बोल सकते हो. थैंक यू बेटा फॉर गिविंग दिस मच रिस्पेक्ट बेटा. थैंक यू सो मच. आई एम रियली हैप्पी. गॉड ब्लेस यू बेटा. नाउ लुक हियर. So now directrix is y plus a equal to 0 beta. Y plus a equal to equation of directrix, focus, vertex, directrix. All three we got. Now what next? Equation of axis. Equation of axis. Can anybody tell me what will be the equation of axis here beta? What will be the equation of axis here? हाँ बेटा, आंटी सबको ही बोलते हैं. Now look here. Equation of axis. Here equation of axis will become x will be equal to 0 beta, because the curve is exactly symmetric about y axis. On y axis x value will become 0, so equation will become x will be equal to 0. So equation will be x will be equal to 0. Equation will be what? Equation will be x will be equal to 0. Equation of axis is x will be equal to 0. Equation of axis will be what? X will be equal to 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4 we got beta. The next one is what we have to exactly find. Next one we have to find is focal distance. Beta, what will be focal distance here? Can anybody tell me what will be the focal distance? Just think about it beta. Arbitrary point we have to take. After arbitrary point, focus. The distance between arbitrary point and focus. The distance between arbitrary point and focus. So since this time equation of the parabola is x square will be equal to 4ay beta. So which type of directrix equation going to come? That is focal length, focal distance. Focal distance will be what beta? Just think about it. What will be the focal distance? What will be the focal distance? Think about it and say focal distance. Then latest rectum, last part will be left. Latest rectum. Latest rectum remains same here. It will be 4a. Latest rectum will be 4a. What will be the equation beta? A plus y is absolutely correct beta. Gautam, for positive part parabola, it will become a plus y. Everyone, Pooja understood? Thank you Samay. God bless you beta. Good night beta. Good night. Good night Samay. Now look here. Latest rectum is coming as 4a beta. Latest rectum is coming as 4a. Latest rectum is going to be 4a. Understood till here? Latest rectum is going to be 4a. Till here understood? Latest rectum part. Thank you, Joginder. Now look here, Joginder. Thank you, beta. So now till here, all this point means now parabola upper section is exactly going to be over. Now we are going to tilt the parabola down. Okay. So once we are going to do that one, now what answer exactly we are expecting here? Pooja, Shreya, Aparna, everyone, come on, quickly tell me, beta. Understood? Jaldi se bolo. Understood? Very good. Joginder understood. Gautam understood. KV people, your exams are over or not, I don't know. Dipankar and all, where are they? Their exams are over or not? Everyone understood? Shreya, Adit, Danesh. Danesh understood, beta? So now we are going to go for the next one. That is, Danesh understood. Super, beta. Now look here. When the parabola will be exactly upside down, then beta, this is the standard equation. Now we are going to write the standard equation. For this standard equation will be x square will be equal to minus 4ay, beta. Standard equation will become x square will be equal to minus 4ay. Very good, Arvind. Standard equation will be x square will be equal to minus 4ay, beta. So now here, now focus will be here 0 comma minus a, beta. Because there it was, when focus was up, it was 0 comma a. Now if it will be down, it will become, focus will become 0 comma minus a. So focus we are going to write. So first point focus if we are writing, it is coming as 0 comma minus a, beta. Now directrix equation, since it is exactly passing up, so we are going to write it here as, it is going to be y will be equal to a, beta. So directrix will become what? Directrix will become y minus a equal to 0. This time y minus a will be equal to 0. Directrix will become, now what will be the equation, beta? Equation of axis. Equation of axis, when you will be seeing that the parabola is symmetry about y-axis, beta. So on y-axis the value of x will become 0. So equation of axis, x will become equal to 0. Now latest rectum, beta, as usual, latest rectum will become 4a. Latest rectum is going to be 4a. Now what will be the focal distance? Come on, tell me, what will be the focal distance, beta? Focal distance, beta. What will be the focal distance, beta? What will be the focal distance? Think about it and say about the focal distance, beta. What will be the focal distance? Think, because now the parabola is down. When the parabola was like this, focal distance was a plus x. When it was like this, focal distance was a minus x. When it was up, it was a plus y. So beta, when it will be down, what it will become? When it will be down, it will become what? When it will be down, then focal distance will become, correct, Gautam. When it is down, it is going to be, beta, a minus y. When it will be down, it is going to become a minus y. The focal distance is going to be a minus y, beta. So now we got all the point. Vertex only is missing. So vertex, again the parabola is passing through the origin. So vertex point will become 0 comma 0. Vertex point will become 0 comma 0. Quickly say, beta, samajh mein aaya? Understood? Joginder understood? Gautam, Danish, everyone, beta, this is the fourth one. After this, Arvind, Adit understood this part. Then we are going to start solving questions, beta. Say quickly till here, everybody understood. So this was the main thing. Once you learn how to take this one out and what are these parts are, what is focal distance, what is vertex, what is directrix. Once you will be knowing about it and how to get the equation, beta, after that solving question will not be tough. After that solving question will be easy only, okay? After that solving question will be easy. Shall we start? Okay, fine. So we are going to start, beta. First question, find the coordinates of the foci. So you have to find foci. Okay, coordinates of the foci, equation of directrix, Focus only, right? Foci don't, because more than one equation is given there. Okay. Equation of directrix, length of latest rectum. Length of latest rectum. Okay. Length of latest rectum. Length of latest rectum. These three you have to find, beta. Equations given to you is, first equation is y square is equal to 8x. Second equation is, we are going to solve fast. We are going to learn first the technique of finding. Then x square will be equal to 6y. Third will be y square equal to minus 12x. And fourth is x square equal to minus 12y, minus 16y. So now you have four different type of equations. Now with all the four different type of equations, we will be trying to find the focus, equation of directrix, length of latest rectum. Okay. Shall we start finding? So first I am going to solve and show it to you how to get this one. So first we are going to take the first equation, beta. What is the first equation for you? What is the first equation for you? What is the first equation for you? The first equation for you is y square equal to 8x. Now beta, it is looking similar to y square equal to 4ax. Huh? Isn't it not looking identical to y square equal to 4ax? Identical, na? So it is looking similar to y square equal to 4ax. So now this is going to be, if I am going to take 4 out, then it is going to be 2 into x. Okay. Now it is looking same, na? It is looking same. So beta, but one thing is there, if we will compare these two equations, so we got a equal to 1, a equal to 2. So what we got? A equal to? A equal to 2. The moment you got a equal to 2, beta, now you have to find focus, you have to find equation of directrix, you have to find length of latest rectum. Now beta, this is exactly the parabola, where the parabola mouth was exactly this. It is the first equation, y square equal to 4ax. And for this we have learned that for the first one, focus was a comma 0. Focus point was a comma 0. For the first one, focus was a comma 0. So we are going to use that one. For the first equation, we will write focus will be a comma 0. So what is a value? Already we got 2. So focus is going to come as 2 comma 0, beta. Focus is going to come how much? Focus is going to come as 2 comma 0. Absolutely correct. Once you got focus, beta, after getting focus, equation of directrix. Equation of directrix. Equation of directrix. So what will be equation of directrix, beta? So here for this one, we know that the line will be exactly x will be equal to minus 1. So equation of directrix will be x plus a will be equal to 0, because it is just opposite to that of the parabola. The directrix fixed line will be. So equation of directrix is x plus a equal to 0. So what is the value of a, beta? The value of a is 2. So equation of directrix is x plus 2 equal to 0. Very good, Gautam. Back to back you are giving all the answers correct. Now after that, latest rectum, length of latest rectum. So latest rectum formula is 4a. Now a is coming as 2. So latest rectum is coming as 8. Latest rectum is coming as 8. Back to back, understood how to solve this one? Quickly say, beta, latest rectum is coming as 8. Understood this one? Everyone, when you will say understood, then only I am going to go, because then I am going to go to the next section. This is the most important beginning point of solving. If you will be understanding this one, then you will be able to solve questions based on this. Understood, beta? Understood? So latest rectum is coming as 4a. Equation of directrix is x plus 2. Focus is 2 comma 0. By using the equation, Shreya understood. Super, beta. Thank you, Shreya. Anyone not understood, you can quickly ask me, beta. If anyone might have not understood, say I am going to explain one more time. Otherwise, we will go for second equation and try to solve. In the second part, if you are seeing that in the second equation, it is written as x square equal to 6y. Okay. Now beta second equation is given as x square will be equal to 6y. Now it is identical to which equation? It is identical to equation x square will be equal to 4ay. Huh? But problem here is beta 6 is there. So if 6 is there, but we need 4 here. We need what? We need 4 here. For this what we will do? We will write x square as it is. Now we will write 4 here. So if we have multiplied 4, then we are going to divide 4 also. So now this one will become 3 by 2. So now your equation is coming as x square equal to 4 into 3 by 2y. 4 into 3 by 2y. 4 into 3 by 2y is coming. So here x square equal to 4 into 3 by 2y coming. That means if we will compare it with general equation, standard equation, sorry. So a is exactly coming to be 3 by 2. A is coming as what beta? A is coming as 3 by 2. Absolutely correct. A is super. Shinwin, absolutely beta, correct only, super. Answer is correct beta. Now look here. So this time this equation will be, because x square will be equal to 4ay. So that means parabola will be like this. What will be focus? Absolutely correct focus you have written beta. It is going to be 0 comma a. So it is going to be 0 comma 3, 0 comma 3 comma 2. So now we will start writing focus point. Focus point is coming as 0 comma. Focus point is coming as 0 comma 3 by 2. But beta after that you have to write the directrix one. So directrix one just opposite. So if this distance will be 3 by 2, this one will also become 3 by 2. But here this equation will be y will be equal to minus 3 by 2, because it is below x axis. So this is equidistance. So y will be exactly, this length is 3 by 2. So equation of directrix will be what beta? Equation of directrix will be y plus 3 by 2 equal to 0, y plus 3 by 2 equal to 0 beta, and then length of latest rectum, last part beta. Length of latest rectum is exactly going to be what? Length of latest rectum is exactly going to be 4 into a, that is 4 into 3 by 2. Absolutely correct beta, it is going to be 6. So back to back all answers are correct. So Shinwin has given the answer correct. After that Gautam has given the answer. Super beta, God bless you both. Absolutely correct answer beta, absolutely. So we have went for 2 different formulas. We have exactly went correct answer. Shall we go for the third one? Easy one we are doing. We are just discussing the preliminary part of solving equations. Then we will go for tough questions also. So now next equation is beta y square equal to 12x. Y square equal to 12x, and from there, yes Gautam, correct, 6 is there. Others, if any doubt is there beta, you can ask me. I am going to explain one more time. So now look here. Next part is y square will be equal to minus 12x. Y square equal to minus 12x. First we are going to know where is the mouth of the parabola. Parabola mouth will be exactly like this, and this part is exactly, so we have to find the focus here, then equation of directrix, and then length of latest rectum. So the general equation which is suggesting, which is equal to this one, is y square equal to minus 4ax. So if I am going to split this one out, it is going to come as y square minus 4 into 3 into x. So a is coming as how much? A is coming as 3. So once a is coming as 3, then now tell the equation of directrix, tell the focus. So what will be focus here beta? Focus will be here, the focus point will be minus 3 comma 0. Focus point is going to be what? Minus 3 comma 0. Focus we got minus 3 comma 0. Directrix line will be x will be equal to 3. So directrix line will become what? Equation of directrix will be beta, if x equal to 3, then 3 will shift this side, it will become x minus 3 will be equal to 0. Now latest rectum beta, length of latest rectum, that is latest rectum will be 4a. A is coming as what? A is coming as 3, so length of latest rectum is coming as 12. I hope you might have understood how to solve this question. Come on, quickly tell me, till here you understood how to solve this question? then we will convert general equation to standard equation, and after that we have to find Kritika, understood na beta? Any doubt is there, Kritika? We are just solving the very beginning part of it, beta. Very beginning part of it we are solving. Then we will learn how to take out the parabola from other part to origin section and get the equation. That part we are going to learn after that. So now next part is, next question, I think last one was left now. Last question was what? What was last question? Yes. X square will be equal to minus 16y. X square will be equal to minus 16y. Minus 3. I didn't wrote minus 3, it is 4 into 3 beta. X square was equal to minus, I think 12y was there. So x square equal to minus 4 into 3 into y. So a is exactly equal to 3 beta. So here when the line you have drawn, so it is exactly this parabola is there na Gautam. So this side parabola is there beta. So this side the line will be positive na. This part is focus A will be minus 3 comma 0, but this side will be exactly beta. Here it will become x will be equal to 3 na. So when this 3 will shift that side, it will become okay, because A is coming as 3 na. A is coming as 3. A is coming as 3. Okay, so when this 3 will shift that side, the equation will be coming as x minus 3 equal to 0. The equation will be coming as x minus 3 equal to 0. Understood beta? Okay. So now shall we solve this question? X square minus 16y. Try this question out. X square minus 16y will be equal to 0. Try this one out. Try this one out. Very good. Try this one out. Try this one. Proud of you, Pooja. Super beta. Focus is coming as minus 0 comma minus 4. Equation of directrix is y minus 4 equal to 0. Length of latest rectum is 16. Super. Gautam has given the answer, y minus 4 equal to 0. Directrix equation. Kritika has given, okay, focus point is given as 0 comma 4. Latest rectum is 16. This is what I am wanting from my children. Always be at the top. Now look here. So x square will be equal to minus 4 into 4 into y. Beta, if we will compare it with general equation, standard equation, x square will be equal to minus, x square will be equal to minus 4ay beta. So a is coming as 4, a is coming as 4. So a is coming as 4. Now beta, once a is coming as 4, so now shall we check that where will be the parabola? So if parabola will be beta here down, then that's why na x square will be equal to minus 4ay. X square is exactly coming as minus 4ay. Now this part will be coming, how much? X square will be minus 4ay. Then this part is going to be, focus is coming as minus 0, this part is going to be coming as 0 comma minus 4. Focus is going to come as 0 comma minus 4. Vertex point will be 0 comma 0. Equation will be y will be equal to 4 here. And latest rectum, so focus will be what beta? Focus point will be 0 comma minus 4. 0 comma minus 4. And then length of latest rectum is going to be 4 into 4, 16. Absolutely correct. So whatever answer you have given, हाँ बेटा, क्लास 10th फिजिक्स whatever notes are there बेटा, it is there in the playlist. Electricity chapter, magnetism chapter and previous chapter, light chapter, everything notes is present there in the playlist beta. It is present in the playlist, okay? And whatever doubts will be there, you can ask me. Community post is there, Insta is there beta, you can contact me and you can ask me, I'll clear your doubt. And right now electricity revision will be going on after some time beta, from Monday itself, okay? So notes are there beta, I'm going to support you, don't worry. So now latest focus is coming as 0 comma minus 4, latest rectum is coming as 16. Now after that beta, equation of directrix. So directrix part will be exactly coming as, y minus 4 will be equal to 0. Directrix part will be coming as, हाँ beta, no need to say please beta. You just go to playlist, their electricity A to Z notes will be there. From the beginning whatever I taught beta, it is there, okay? I'm coming, wait. Where were you? You told you are going to come to study in my home and you didn't came. Till here beta we have done. Now I am going to teach you one small method beta, when general equation will be given. Gugan, from the beginning part of the class, where were you? Wait, I am going to take test from you. Wait, you will write special test. Gugan will write special test. Today also you were late. Today also you were late. Wait, I am accounting which time you have entered into the class. Wait, you will be getting punishment. Special 5 questions extra for you. Seriously. Now look here beta. Now y square minus 8y minus x plus 19 will be there, and that part will be equal to 0. So when I'll do it. You came. Where were you? So now beta, this is the general equation of the parabola. So when general equation of the parabola will be there, after class Gugan, seriously, after class you message me. Wait, come for offline class. After that only COVID test you went. Good. Now look here beta, when this equation will be given to you, first thing is that you have to just understand that how to convert it into standard equation. When this type of equation will be given to you, first priority is to convert it into standard equation, okay? Because now the parabola is not resting on axis. Initially whatever 4 equations you have seen, the standard equations you have seen, the parabola vertex point was always 0 comma 0. Means beta, here just understand this one nicely. When you were doing like this, so you were always finding that the parabola vertex was at the origin. The vertex point was always coming at the origin. So now the parabola is somewhere else. It is not there at the origin. It is not there at the origin beta. And now we are exactly going to understand that when it is not there in the origin, there is a general equation given for it. Then at that particular moment, how to solve that type of questions, okay? How to solve that type of questions. Now first thing is that y square minus 8y is given to you, and first I am going to shift the one which is not needed for me. So x minus 19 I shifted this side. So now y square minus 2 into 4 into y is there. So I have to convert it into Gugan. Okay, fine. After class Gugan, after class. Now look here beta, y square minus 8y is there. So first we have to convert it into complete square, because general equation, whatever general equations are there, whatever standard equations are there, Gugan, now you are distracting. Y square equal to 4ax, y square equal to minus 4ax, x square equal to 4ay, and x square equal to minus 4ay. So beta, all this 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. So now we are going to check that one out. So now first is y square minus 2 into 4y is there. So first work what we are going to do, we will add 4 square and we will subtract 4 square. To convert it into complete square, we are going to add 4 square and we are going to subtract 4 square. And then this part x minus 19, I kept it as it is. Okay, I kept it as it is. So now this part is going to be y minus 4 whole square. Now leftover is minus 4 square, so that is 16. We will shift 16 that side. So when we are shifting 16 that side, it is coming as x minus 19 plus 16. X minus 19 plus 16 is coming. X minus 19 plus 16 will be coming. Gugan, you come and meet me. After that, I'll talk to you. So now look here. So now y minus 4 whole square is coming and then x minus 3 is coming. So now, are you watching one simple thing here? If you are seeing a very simple thing here, beta, it is coming in this format, y square is equal to x. Isn't it coming into this format? Means ki definitely whatever parabola will be there, the parabola mouth will be like this. Wherever it will be located, it will be exactly, the mouth will be coming like this, directrix will be like this. Yes or no? Directrix will be like this. Come on, quickly tell me, beta, that till here understood or not, because one by one we have to learn to shift it. Okay, we have to place the parabola on the axis. It will not be on the x-axis or y-axis. It will be away from x-axis and y-axis. Now we have to learn to place the parabola away from it. Okay, it will not be going to be, it will be away. It will be away. So y minus 4 whole square equal to x minus 3 is there. Okay, first tell me till here you have understood or not. Understood or not till here? Okay, Gautam, last part what exactly I have done here is, Gautam, I just add plus 4 here to make it a complete square, Gautam. I added plus 4 beta, because here you see when you are writing a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square means what, beta? A minus b whole square means a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square, beta. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So here also, beta, same thing I have done. What I have done here is, to make it a complete square, I added 4 square, because here 4 is there, but here this part was missing. So I added 4 square, I subtracted 4 square. And then this part I left as it is. Now here, this complete section made it y minus 4 whole square. Then this minus 4 square I shifted this side. When I shifted that one this side, it is going to be x minus 19 and minus 16 will shift this side, it will become, beta, plus 16. Minus 16 will shift this side, it will become plus 16. Now it is coming as y square, y minus 4 whole square equal to x minus 3. Isn't it coming in the standard format now? Isn't it coming in the standard format? Come on, quickly tell me. Isn't it coming in the standard format? One by one. Isn't it now looking like a standard format? If we are going to write, let y minus 4 equal to capital Y and x minus 3 equal to capital X, then what this is exactly going to represent? Okay, but I am not taking any offline class, I am taking only online classes. You just have to switch on your mobile, you have to sleep and you have to see what auntie is teaching. Only that much part you had to do. So now it is going to come as y square equal to x. Y square equal to x. So this much part also was difficult, huh? I am teaching in fever. You can't study in fever, huh? Just kidding. Take rest, beta. Now you understood how to convert standard general parabolic equations into standard, general parabolic equation into standard, how to convert. Till here I want everyone to say that you have understood, yes or no. So now what next work we are going to do? Till here we got this one, but this is not looking like the equation what we knew. Our equation was y square equal to 4ax. So here a part is missing. Don't you think a part is missing? So what we are going to do? We are going to multiply 4 and we are going to write 1 by 4 into x. So now beta, this is now coming into y square equal to 4ax, because now this 4 is there. Now what is a here? What is a here? Okay beta, understood now? Look here beta. So what is a here? 4 into 1 by 4 into x is there. So what is a here? What will be a here? What will be a here? Tell me quickly, what will be a here? What will be a? Quickly say what will be a. A will be equal to 1 by 4. Absolutely correct Gautam. A is exactly going to come as 1 by 4. So now till you got a equal to 1 by 4. Now 1 by 1 we have to learn to take out focus, latest rectum. Here also we have to learn to take out latest rectum, focus, equation, everything we have to take out here now. So first just tell me one thing. Did you learn how to convert the general equation into standard equation of parabola? First till here you say yes or no. After that I am going to proceed and I am going to tell you how to convert and find the vertex and all. General equation taken. After taking general equation, added 4 square, subtracted 4 square, converted into standard equation. After converting it into standard equation, whatever section came, we have taken that equal to y. Okay, now I am going to write in a systematic way. Now it's time to approach to the systematic part beta. So now y minus 4 part, I have taken y minus 4 section as. So now this part I am going to take it as, so let y minus 4 equal to y beta, capital Y, and x will be equal to x minus 3 will be equal to capital X beta. So once we have taken till here, understood na Pooja na? But just one small work you have to do here is, okay, now it is going to come as y square equal to x beta. So once you are getting y square equal to x, one by one we'll be discussing. Now general standard equation is what? Y square equal to 4 into 1 by 4 into x. So now a is coming as, now your standard equation is coming as y square equal to 4 into 1 by 4x. So here a is coming as 1 by 4. Now beta, the parabola is somewhere and standard equation is exactly going to be, this standard equation parabola is going to pass through the origin. So definitely for this equation that is y square equal to 4 into x by 4, 4x by 4, 4x by 4. For this standard equation beta, vertex will be 0, 0. Vertex will be, x will be equal to 0, y will be equal to 0. Beta, because it is in the standard form. So for standard form of equation of parabola, we know that x will be equal to 0 and y will be equal to 0. So now vertex point will be for standard equation, because now you converted general into standard. Now it is in the standard form. It is coming in the standard form, that is y square equal to 4ax. Now for y square equal to 4ax, vertex point was always 0, 0 na. That is x was equal to 0, y was equal to 0. So now this capital Y square equal to 4ax is coming. For this is the standard equation. Since this is the standard equation, its vertex will become 0, 0 beta. So since its vertex will become 0, 0, so now x will be equal to 0, y will be equal to 0. Now beta, what is x you have taken, what is y you have taken? Actually x was x minus 3. X minus 3 equal to 0. So x is coming as 3. Y equal to, y what you have taken? Y minus 4. So y minus 4 equal to 0. So y will be equal to 4. So what value you have supposed, that value, because overall beta, overall you have to write this equation, that is the main equation of the parabola. This one too we have assumed. So assume whatever we have assumed, that has to go. It cannot be with us. So we have to just remove that assumed section. So now whatever assumed, so this vertex, according to the standard equation of parabola, vertex has to be 0. So x will be equal to 0, y will be equal to 0. So the moment you did x equal to 0, y equal to 0, so now you got x equal to 3, y equal to 4. So now the original parabola, vertex point is not at the origin, vertex point will be x will be equal to 3, y equal to 4. So the vertex point will be here and the parabola will be going like this. So this will be the axis. For the original parabola, the original parabola origin is here and vertex point 3, 4 will be here. Till here everybody understood? So this is just the most important section I have discussed. So look here. So now this will become the vertex point. After vertex point, we have to get the, now this parabola is exactly what? This parabola is parallel to x-axis. It is symmetry about x-axis or not? It is symmetry about x-axis. What did I said about x-axis beta? Ki for x-axis, y value will become equal to 0. On x-axis, y value will become equal to 0. On x-axis, what value will become 0? Y will be equal to 0. So first we learned how to take out the vertex. Now we are going to write equation of axis. Equation of axis, since you have taken capital this one as standard, and for standard equation, capital Y will be equal to 0. Equation will become capital Y because only standard we can use now. For standard only that section is going to be capital Y equal to 0. Now beta, what is capital Y? Capital Y is nothing but y minus 4. So what is the equation of the axis? The equation of the axis is y equal to 4. So what is the equation of the axis? The equation of axis is y equal to 4. The equation of axis is coming as y equal to 4. Now vertex you got, equation of axis you got. After vertex and axis, we have to find the focus. Okay. Now what will be the focus point? What will be the focus point? Now you know that this part is exactly coming as, for this focus, capital X value will be coming as A, that is 1 by 4, and Y value will be coming as 0. Beta, because the focus point will be here, so in X comma Y value will be there. X comma Y value will become the focus. So here what will become the focus point? So capital X will be exactly equal to 1 by 4. X will be equal to, because X is A and Y part will become 0. Standard equation now. So standard equation, Y will become equal to 0. So what we are going to write? X is nothing but X minus 3. So X minus 3 equal to 1 by 4. So X will be equal to 3 plus 1 by 4. So X is equal to 13 by 4. Now what will be Y? Y is exactly going to be, one time again I am going to teach this one, so don't worry. So y will be equal to 0, so y is equal to 4. So focus is coming as 13 by 4 minus 4. So focus also is changing. Focus is also changing. Till focus only I am going to teach today, because I really wanted to understand it line by line. So next class again I am going to explain this one. Focus, yes, X will be equal to 1 by 4 because you know that focus is A comma 0. What is the standard equation of focus, Gautam? The standard equation of focus is, standard equation, your focus is here, but exactly you are writing x square, sorry, exactly you are writing y square equal to 4ay na, Gautam, equal to 4ay. For standard equation, focus part is A comma 0 now. So this is representing right now capital X and this is representing capital Y. So capital X, beta, A value you got 1 by 4. So that's why capital X equal to 1 by 4 and capital Y will be equal to 0. Capital Y will be equal to 0. Understood? So 1 by 1 till now we have got, we got vertex, we got equation of axis, we got focus. Okay, latest rectum will be 4a. Latest rectum will be same. Latest rectum no change will be there. So 4 into 1 by 4. So here latest rectum is coming as 1. Now directrix beta. One more important point is directrix. So now you know that if parabola is here beta, then directrix for y square is equal to 4ax directrix for y square equal to 4ax, what you have learned? Ki when parabola will be like this, then directrix will become x equal to minus a. But here you have to write directrix as capital letter part you are going to write. So directrix section you will be writing how beta directrix section will be coming as x will be equal to capital X you are going to write, because the small letter x and y is exactly part for general equation of parabola. You converted the general equation of parabola as standard equation of parabola. Okay, so you converted general equation of parabola as standard equation of parabola. So after x equal to minus, so x value is coming as what? X minus 3. So x minus 3 and a part is coming as 1 by 4 beta. Shift this one that side. So minus 1 by 4 plus 3, that is x will be equal to minus 1 plus 12. Minus 1 plus 12 by 4, so it is coming as 11 by 4. So equation of directrix will be x minus 11 by 4 equal to 0, or 4x minus 11 equal to 0. This will become the equation of the directrix. This will become the equation of the directrix. Till here everybody understood? Equation of the directrix understood? So mostly they will be asking this only beta. Mostly they will be asking this only. They will be asking you focus. They will be asking you equation of axis. They will be asking you latest rectum. They will be asking you equation of directrix. So most probably these things are only asked there. I hope my children might have understood. Next class again we are going to start. Okay, Pooja understood? Okay. Again one more time we are going to start. Again we are going to, this time I want you all to practice, and this time I want you all to be with me and practice. Okay, shall we leave till here? Next class if possible, if tomorrow appointment you are going to give it to me, because more syllabus is left and I cannot run. Correct Gautam, I cannot run. I don't want to run. Running means I will only be understanding, no one will be understanding. So I want everyone to be tomorrow. Before saying bye, give me that appointment for tomorrow, then only. If you will give appointment for tomorrow, then only I'll say you bye. Give me tomorrow appointment. I'm going to meet you all. Give me appointment. Tomorrow is lockdown, so online appointment is only possible. Okay? Possible to meet tomorrow? Online? That's good. Okay, good night. Good night everyone. Bye bye. I deleted everything. Okay, in tomorrow class x minus 11 by 4, I still remember Gautam. X minus 3 was equal to 1 by 4. Exactly, x minus 3 was equal to 1 by 4. X was equal to 1 by 4. X minus 3 was equal to 1 by 4. For that 9:30 am is okay, fine, 9:30 am is okay. So we are going to shift, it was exactly, equation was what? Equation will be, Gautam, this part is there na, so this directrix was here, so a will be equal to minus na beta. This side a will be minus, this side a will be negative, x will be equal to minus a, so capital X will be equal to minus 1 by 4. Capital X will be equal to minus 1 by 4. X is what? X minus 3 equal to minus 1 by 4. Shift this one that side, Gautam. So minus 1 by 4 plus 3 is there. Take LCM, Gautam. So minus 1 plus 12 by 4 is there. So x will be equal to 11 by 4. If you will shift this one this side, so x minus 11 by 4 equal to 0. Take LCM, 4x minus 11 equal to 0. This is what I said. I hope you might have understood, Gautam. Tell me, understood or not? Now okay, Gautam? Fine. Bye everyone. Good night. Bye beta. Good night.